What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, today we want to talk about 5 things that you do not know about General Mkwanazi. So many people, they think they know General Mkwanazi that much, but there are so many things that they don't know. The first one is that General Mkwanazi does not have a personal or official social media account. So despite so many social media profiles, claiming to be his on Twitter, on Facebook, etc., the KZN police commissioner has stated clearly that all of them are fake and he has no personal or official presence on social media under his name. Second one, allegations of collusion with criminal networks and political interference. So General Mkwanazi, he made strong allegations that senior police figures and politicians, including Senzo Mchunu, Shadrack Sibiya, have colluded with crime syndicates, obstructing investigations. So in particular, he claims, that a PKTT was disbanded to protect those who were getting close to uncovering wrongdoing. Now, the third one is that he once served as an acting National Police Commissioner, but testimonies to the Matlanga Commission, suggest that he did not step down voluntarily. He was actually removed as acting commissioner alongside others like Dumisani Kumalo, allegedly because they were trying to reform certain internal systems, particularly around SAP's crime intelligence. And the fourth one, General Mkwanazi, he defends himself that much, and he took legal action against Paul O'Sullivan for defamation. Now, the fifth one is that General Mkwanazi is actually an outspoken person, and many see him as one of the few police leaders trying to challenge corruption in law enforcement. For example, the NGO Gift of Givers, it described General Mkwanazi as a beacon of hope in a fight against crime and corruption. On the other hand, some police unions and political actors, they criticize him, saying he might be going beyond his mandate. Currently, there is a DAMP, who is saying General Mkwanazi must apologize to him. But we're going to see about that. I'll catch you guys on the next one.